Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you a technique that I use when editing a file that's pretty much consistent, nothing changes, lighting remains the same, backdrop remains the same, and my camera settings pretty much remain the same as well. So this is from today's photo shoot with Little Miss Nevaeh, and I've already edited this picture here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open a file that I want to edit as well. So let's go through her pictures and let's just grab this file here. So that one's opening in 2056. So we're going to go back to the file that I want to get. Let's see. So here I'm going to select the layers that I want to move over. So there's color balance, curves, brightness and contrast, and vibrance. I'm going to go here to the top, layer, duplicate layers, and then it's going to ask you the destination that you want them to go to. So I want to go to file 2056, the one I just opened. Let's hit OK, and this is what we have right now. And that's with all of the files moved over. I'm sorry, all of the layers moved over. And so for many who aren't too familiar with Photoshop, X is going to toggle between here in this corner, those two colors, black and white. Black is to hide, white is to show. And since I took these from the other file, everything that I edited there is here. So I want to get a fresh start. So let's enlarge our brush. And I'm just going to paint this white. Okay. And I'm going to do the same here. If you can see where it's black, I want to fill that back in to white. So I have a fresh start in what I'm doing on this file. And curves. And let's take that out. Okay. And I'm pretty happy with how that looks. But as you can see on her skin, it's a little saturated for my liking. So now I'm going to go to black, which is to hide. So I'm going to paint over. And then it's going to take the saturation off. Pretty simple. Okay, so that's done. And as you can see here, I'm going to take those off so you can kind of get an idea of before and after. So this is where the picture started. And this is with those layers moved over. Okay, and just to add a little bit of sharpness, actually I'm going to stamp this first. And you're going to use Shift, Option, Command, and E. You'll press those buttons all at once. And it's going to merge what you have underneath here and give you a brand new layer. Then I'm going to go to Filter, High Pass, and hit OK. And this is just a method that I use for sharpening and soft light. And there we have it. And let me save the file. So we're going to save Nevaeh in 9. And that's saved. And that was done in less than 5 minutes. So let me open some of the other files from this session that I've already edited. Let's see, let's do 2, 3, and so we're gonna open 2, 3, and then the one we just edited, number 9. Because sometimes when you're doing edits, you can get a little off track as far as how you edited one and they don't look like the other one. So just to provide a little bit of consistency. And let me pull these here so you can see them all. Okay. Okay. And there we have it. So in less than 5 minutes, I was able to edit that one file. So I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial for today. And as always, like, subscribe, and comment.